When the products arrive to the job site, unbox the fixtures and lay them out to determine the beginning of run, middle of run, and end of run. The beginning of run will be identified with the power cord already connected. Install the beginning of run power junction box no more than 12 inches from the beginning of the fixture. Install cross brackets aircraft cable support and install the BOR power into the canopy. All cable supports are mounted no more than 12 inches from the end of any fixture. With two installers, attach the second support on the beginning of run and pull the cables until to the desired mounting height. Check to make sure that the beginning of run is level. Then add the middle of run fixture by attaching the cable support and lifting it into place. Note, before you make any connections between fixtures, assure that the middle of run is level to the beginning of run fixture. Once it's level, slide the alignment pins into the fixture and attach the catch and latch. Note, the fixtures must be level before you engage the catch and latch between fixtures. All aircraft support is no more than 12 inches from the end of any fixture. Continue this method with additional middle of run fixtures until you get to the last unit. After all of the middle of run are hung, you attach the end of run fixture similar to the middle of run by attaching the aircraft cable, leveling the fixture, and then engaging the catch and latch. Once all fixtures are hung in a row, trim the aircraft cable with your wire cutter. One last step would be to zip tie the power cord to the aircraft cable for a more cleaner aesthetic.